Alrighty, we're at it again here. Got the INEZ Andreas at just over a mile, moving right along, and sitting here at Grafton Ferry Landing at the conjunction of the Illinois River and the Mississippi River. It's just after lunch. It's about 88 degrees. It's a very nice day. We got people out on jet skis in front of the towboat coming down the river here. So hard to see it off in the distance at a mile, but she's at a mile up there, and I'm going to get ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate it, and please subscribe. Oh, another dinosaur. Where's he at? He is a monster snapping turtle here. Wow. You mean business, don't you, buddy? He's a big ass turtle. Yeah, I'm not gonna hurt you. You gotta get to the other side there. How you get down that hill, man? That's gotta be tough. I'd like to watch it, but you won't. I'm sure you won't do it while I'm here. You climbed up this side. And you're headed to this side. I didn't mean to interrupt your trip there, buddy. You gonna go about your way, or are you just gonna stare at me? That dude's probably 20 inches long. He's a big rascal. I've never seen snapping turtles this big until I came out here. We used to catch them while we were fishing, but they were about a quarter this size. These snappers out here are absolutely huge. I don't guess he's going to move as long as I'm here. It's a shame. I'd like to see him head to the water. Sorry I'm bothering you, buddy. I didn't mean to.